Hi, my name is Nima, and in this tutorial we're going to create this stylized and simple tree in Blender. So stay with me and I hope you enjoy the process. First of all, let me explain something to you. When I press any key on my keyboard or on my mouse, you can see the display of my action here in the left corner of my screen, so you won't be confused about what am I doing. Let's begin the tutorial. I'm going to delete everything in the scene, and by pressing Shift A, I'm going to add new object here. You can add UV sphere, cube, it doesn't matter. Then by pressing tab, I'm going to edit mode, or you can just come here and switch between other modes here. And then by pressing A, I'm going to select every vertices I have here, and then by pressing M, I'm going to merge them at center. Then by pressing 1 on my numpad, I'm going to front view, and then by pressing E, you can extrude your vertices. So I'm going to extrude it here and here and here, and create the branches. Actually, it's our main part of this is the main part of our tree. Okay, I will show you how it's going. Then I'm going to extrude this vertex here and move it somewhere here and here, and extrude this one and this one, and I'm going to extrude this one more few times for creating the branches and create a simple and unique shape for my tree. Just wait and you can see the result. Yeah, extrude this one few times again for creating the branches. I don't know, it's actually like antenna, I guess. And then through this one and one more time here, and yeah, actually it's enough. Then modifiers tab and generate mirror modifier. No, not mirror modifier, skin modifier. Actually, I use mirror modifier a lot and I thought I'm going to add a mirror modifier, but no. Skin modifier, warframe mode by holding Z on my keyboard, Z, I don't know. And then by pressing Ctrl A, decrease the scale of these vertices here. Then select every vertex in the left corner of the branches and make them smaller and create this shape here. And then I forgot this one. And then let me see, I'm going to actually decrease the size of these two vertices here, and same about this one and this one and this one and this one, and I'm going to move this one a little bit, and we can actually extrude this one more time, or no, we can extrude this one here for having a better shape, and I guess it's okay. And then in the main part, I'm going to select these 2 or 3, I don't know. I select these 2 vertices here and then Ctrl A and make them bigger, and a little bit this one, and we can decrease the size of these 2 vertices here and actually a little bit here, and yeah, we created the branches. I don't like the shape here, so I'm going to move it a little bit, and yeah, and same about this one. Actually, let's create this shape. Yeah, it's good actually. And then for the leaves, add UV sphere, and then in this tab here, in this window here, I'm going to set the segments to something like maybe 8, and for the rings maybe 4 or 3. Let me see, actually 4. And yeah, I'm going to the snap tool here and enable it, and set the snap target to face, and enable this option here, face nearest, and move my, this is going to be our leaves, and I'm going to move these leaves or leaf in the corner of the branches, and by pressing Shift D you can duplicate it. So I'm going to duplicate it, change the location. Let's do it for another branches. I duplicated all of the leaves and moved them to the corner of the branches. And then by decrease and increase the size of your leaves, you can make it a little bit randomness and have a better shape on your tree, and make it a little bit better and nicer I guess. And yeah, we created the shape of our tree. Now I'm going to separate the leaves to two groups. Let me see. I'm going to select this one and this one, and actually this one and this one. By pressing Ctrl J, I'm going to join them together. And for the other leaves, I'm going to wait. Let's actually hide these leaves by pressing H, and then I'm going to select all the remaining leaves, and by pressing Ctrl J join them together, and then by pressing Alt H unhide the previous leaves. In the material preview, let's create a new material for these leaves here. I'm going to set the maybe light green color for this group of the leaves, and for the other I'm going to maybe something about this, or we can go to orange maybe, or not. I don't know, let's go to actually lighter green. Make this darker and light for this one. Yeah, it's okay. And for the body, I'm going to select maybe this color, or we can make it darker a little bit. And yeah, we created our tree, and let's see the result in the render.